So hello everybody, this is me again, Mark, and I'm very excited for today because my client who becomes my friend, they are coming from Europe, and they are inviting me to go with their place. So that's their car and I will just follow them. So that's my friend's car, and we are now going to their condo because they invited me for a dinner. And this is the B. Rodriguez Road. Ay, ay. We are now going to their condo. This is the B. Rodriguez Road, Cebu City. So that's the car of my friend, and we are now going to the condo, and we will take dinner in their condo. That's the Sundance Residences, and this is the One Pavilion Residences, and this is where their condo is. That's the Sundance, and we are now approaching to their condo, and this is their condo. That's the lobby of their condo, and we are going up. And this is the amenity area of the One Pavilion, the swimming pool and the building with the view of Cebu Business Park and Cebu IT Park. That's the Cebu Midtown, and that's the Cebu Business Park, and that's the Cebu IT Park, and that's the Marco Polo and 38 Neville Hills, and this is the Banawa and Guadalupe area. That's the Sundance Residences. Wow, it's really nice in here. And this project is developed by Gold Beach, and below of this residential building is the Gaisano Mall. Gaisano. Look at what the name of this recipe, ma'am?
Yeah, Mediterranean lemon chicken.
It sounds expensive.
Or let's say Greek.
Yeah, Greek.
Yeah.
Oh. And this one?
Lemon chicken.
The
No, actually, this is for making ano lang, aroma. This is with
cinnamon,
cinnamon, yeah.
and lemon.
Yung skin.
Why you don't have plan to make a restaurant? Because look at what your recipe. It looks expensive.
Do you know how is pagod ang restaurant, no? Ako pagod ko yung restaurant.
Nice. And I will take video while. No, I will not give you. Look at there. This is all-in-one function, no?
Yeah. Microwave.
Yeah, microwave.
Convection oven.
Convection.
That means
And you know, someone who is do not take that because it will just take this one. Maybe you are maybe you are interested to make your condo ba or house a full smart home, and then
Bubili ka niya marami pa.
my friend is really good in doing smart home. Contact us. I-post na. So you are putting now the Mediterranean chuchu. What's the Mediterranean?
no.
Mediterranean.
We need preheat first.
It's rice, yeah?
Yeah, we put that Mediterranean chicken. That beautiful. What's the name of this recipe, Mom? What's the name of that recipe?
Kanin. Yeah, kasi lalagyan ko siya mamaya ng herbs.
Ah, okay.
So,
Parang Mediterranean talaga.
oh. Ganyan ko lang ginawa to ha. Nakita ko lang sa PicArts.
Oo.
So, tingnan natin kung ano yung tsura. So, lalagyan ko siya mamaya. Parang kanin lang
Di ba
na.
the rice, ni siya? What kind of rice is this?
Japanese.
Yeah, Japanese rice.
Yeah, Japanese rice. I hope na okay siya ngayon. Kasi parang hindi pa
And
siya
you have
luto.
that filtered
Yeah.
I have that lots in my house.
Pampalaban
Because I really like that.
pampalaban ng amoy.
And you have the salad.
Oh, salad ko no, para appetizer.
This one?
Kunyari nasa restaurant ka.
This one is your salad.
Yeah, kunyari nasa restaurant ka.
Look.
That
Yeah.
one is bread, ma'am.
Oh, yung croton?
Crotons.
In 4 minutes, finish.
Huh?
In 4 minutes.
Yeah, I have to make a little bit toasted.
Mediterranean salad. Ay, salad. Thank you, ma'am.
Mediterranean ba yan? I don't know.
Is this, dates?
Yeah,
Dates?
yeah, dates. Para matamis siya.
And this one, sir, is for the salad.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
can put if you like.
And this one?
Hindi na ako gumawa ng sarili kong sauce.
Ay, okay.
Okay, that's a Japanese rice with herbs, and I cook it with what do you call this?
Chicken broth?
Chicken broth
Oh.
or veggie
Oh.
broth. It's a simple steamed broccoli.
And this one,
was
the star of the night.
And this was the Greek
Greek style
lemon
chicken.
Greek lemon chicken.
Yeah.
Or Mediterranean.
Obviously, yes, it is because lots of
Mediterranean.
garlic, herbs, and
Herbs, yeah.
olive
Lots of
oil.
Herbs. Timian,
Expensive olive oil.
Oregano as well.
And this is our dinner. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for the beautiful food.
It's our pleasure.
Let's eat.
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. So I'm going home now, and time check, it's 10 in the evening. I've just finished. I'm so happy to talk with my client, and they are already my friend actually, and I am happy to visit them in their condo, and I'm going home now. I'm coming home. I'm so thankful and grateful to have very kind and nice clients. Most of my clients in real estate has become my friends, and I am happy with that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.